Hi there traders, this video will be quite special because the aim of this video is not to create or build something, but to destroy. Destroy the popular stereotypes and improper positioning of the trading itself, created by bloggers and YouTube content makers. Watch till the end because in this video we will not only ruin the stereotypes, but give a piece of advice how to succeed in trading, what rules you should follow. I would like to discuss the problem of so-called easy money stereotype imposed by YouTubers who make a content with such clickbaits as 100% winning strategy. This indicator will trade for you. You will stop losing money with this tool and so on. You will get rich.
If this buy-sell indicator on Tradingview doesn't blow your mind, I really don't know what will. It really is one of the best Tradingview indicators out there. And not only is it super accurate, you can also set up alerts easily so you're not watching the charts all day long. So make sure you do watch this video at the end.
The target audience of such content makers is a group of amateur traders who crave to find a magic pill, a magic indicator that will make you rich, that will trade for you. People believe that success in trading is an exceptional combination of special indicators and tools that make your trading very profitable. This is a trap. The trap created for you just to increase the number of views of their videos. The truth is quite cruel. There is no secret indicator, no tool to succeed. No indicator can include all the factors to forecast price movements every time properly. And most indicators doesn't work in fact, at all. But what the ways to succeed? Subscribe for the channel and write in the comments what do you think about these stereotypes. Now let's list the core aspects that will break the stereotypes of easy money. Do not shift the responsibility for your trading. Signals, indicators are just support elements. You are the operator and core decision maker. No one can close every trade in profit. That's true, and if someone tells you that he can, he knows nothing about trading or he is just a scammer. Algo trading doesn't work. Proved by thousands of traders who dreamed of easy money during their first steps. Next, rules and risk management. Following the rules is a core and most significant trader's quality. You should have trading system with rules and scenarios, criteria and selection factors. Without a system, your trading is chaotic and mathematical expectation is always negative, as your setups are probably not similar and can't be repeated. Please do not fall into the world of illusion watching the YouTube content makers saying you that their system will make you rich, that only you need to subscribe for them and following their system with their indicators and nothing else. Trading is the hardest way to easy money, and they will come easy only after the years of patience, experience, mastering yourself to never give up and follow your strict rules and risk management. See you soon, subscribe for our channel, stay tuned and figure out the truth about trading.